The Azehiki Saw can start cutting from inside the material and perform straight cutouts. It doesn't require pre-drilling holes like keyhole saw or coping saw. It's also used when you want to dig a thin groove or for stop groove processing. Like the Ryoba Saw, it has both rip cut and cross-cut blades. For cutouts, draw the outline on the material. Start cutting aligned with the curve of the blade. Use a guide to ensure straight cuts. Maintain a blade angle of about 35 degrees. As you cut deeper, the blade will penetrate through. Gradually raise the angle as you approach the corner and make a 90-degree cut at the corner. Continue this for other sides. For thin grooves and stop groove processing, draw the desired groove width. If you only make partial cuts, it results in stop groove processing. Make cuts to the desired depth. Use a chisel to carve between the two cuts.